what you think in your mind is, oh, I don't have to go as hard. And what you'll notice is it'll tend to trickle down to other areas of your life. So now when you go to the gym, you're not going as hard. You're taking sets off. Hey, how you doing? It's your boy Caleb Isom here with another video. And I just want to say thank you all for all the love, support, and encouragement y'all been showing me. It's much appreciated. And I just want to say I have a whole bunch of content coming. So please like, comment, subscribe. Now, today's video is more so for college students, high schoolers, and even middle schoolers on the topic of C's get degrees. Now, me personally, I disagree with that. And I want y'all to remove that from y'all vocabulary. And I remember my freshman year of college, I had this professor that always pushed this and just never sat right with me. I want to push y'all. I want y'all to be the best version of yourself. So if you don't want that, then this video on this channel is not for you. But if you want to push yourself and do the best that you can, then please stay for this video. Now, my main reasons for disagreeing with C's get degrees is because of this. And reason number one I disagree with C's get degrees is it's the mindset. It's the mindset behind that. Think about it. What you feed your mind is very important. And what you feed your mind is laziness. What you feed your mind is, oh, I can settle. What you feed your mind is, oh, I don't have to go as hard. And what you'll notice is it'll tend to trickle down to other areas of your life. So now when you go to the gym, you're not going as hard. You're taking sets off. You know, on basketball practice, you're going to, miss, practice because you don't want to go because you're feeling lazy.
I'm supposed to be the franchise player, and we're in here talking about practice.
Well, Coach,
I mean, listen, we're talking about practice. Not a game. We talking about practice. Not a game.
Or even in the club, you have special duties. You're not going to fulfill the duties because, you got this mindset of you don't have to go as hard. And y'all are too young to have this mindset, man. The world needs y'all, the younger generation, man. We need y'all. Y'all need to have the mindset of, oh, I'm going to do my best. Oh, I'm going to go as hard as I can. Push yourself. Do not settle. And reason number two, I disagree with C's get degrees, is you're limiting your options. I know a ton of people come in their freshman year with this mindset of C's get degrees, right? They graduate, get a job, hate their job, they're not making as much money, and they want to get back in school. But now they're struggling to get in school because they have a C average. So why put yourself in that predicament?
Oh my God!
don't blow up!
Oh!
I'm done!
You know what I mean? Even from the jump, even if you don't want to go back to school, still put in the work and go hard because, as you know, things changing. Life right now in 2022 is different from life in 2010. So you never know when you want to go back to school or not. So always have that option available for you. And reason number three, I disagree with C's get degrees, is you're limiting your network opportunity. Believe it or not, your professor is one of the main connections you have. If they see that you actively trying your best, then they'll look out after you, whether it's a job opportunity, an internship, connections, or either writing you a recommendation letter later on down the road. And if you're not trying, not doing your best, then they'll be less likely to do that for you. And trust me, professors know when you're not trying your best and when you got the C's get degrees mindset. For example, right now it's 2022 and I've been applying to many different programs. And I graduated college in 2020. And in all of my classes, I gave it my all. I did my best. Now, I didn't have the best scores, but like I said, I gave it my all. And my professors knew that. And in return of that, to this day, my professors are still writing me recommendations letters. Now that we got that part out the way, I do have some recommendations. First off, remove that from your vocabulary. Remove that from your mindset. Y'all are too young to have that mindset. Push yourself. Do the best that you can. Never settle. Never not put in the work. Go as hard as you can. Put in the work and everything will work out. But please, whatever you do, please, please, please remove that mindset out of your vocabulary. And another recommendation I have is, in school, surround yourself with people that's actively trying to do their best in the classes. Exactly trying to turn in every single assignment. That's focused, that's locked in. Your community and who you surround yourself with is everything. And if you can't find that, then try to join clubs and look for different opportunities like that. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a bookworm. Have fun. It's college. Have fun.
Do it.
But when it's time to, put in the work, put in the time, you got a test coming up, you got an assignment, make sure you do what you got to do. That's it. Thank y'all for staying this long and listening to what I had to say. To all my college students, high schoolers, middle schoolers, please adopt this mindset of doing the best you can, pushing yourself, trying to make the best grade that you can. If y'all have a specific topic that y'all want me to talk about, please drop it in the comment. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a nice day. And always remember, you can.